Struggling with white flakes, an itchy scalp, or dryness that just won't quit? You're not alone. Dandruff affects millions of people, but the great news is, you don't need harsh chemicals to fix it. In this video, we're diving into effective, natural, and herbal solutions to help you get rid of dandruff for good. Let's start with some powerful herbs. Neem is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent that helps fight dandruff at its root. Rosemary boosts circulation to the scalp and reduces inflammation. And peppermint? It cools, calms, and refreshes your scalp while helping to control excess oil. Here's a simple DIY dandruff remedy you can make at home. Combine 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 5 drops of tea tree oil. Massage this mixture into your scalp, leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This combo hydrates, soothes, and tackles fungal overgrowth, all naturally. Another easy natural fix is an apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Apply it to your scalp once or twice a week. It balances your scalp's pH and helps eliminate buildup. Add a splash of lemon juice for an extra cleansing boost. When used consistently, these natural and herbal remedies for dandruff can make a big difference. Not only are they gentle and affordable, but they also support your scalp's health in the long run, without any synthetic chemicals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more natural healing tips and herbal wisdom. Remember, everyone's body is different, so always do a patch test first. If your dandruff persists or worsens, speak to a healthcare provider. This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.